Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y90, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this HUAWEI. First of all, you need to access calendar app by clicking on it. Now just allow in the pop-up and pick a date. When you're ready, create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Now adjust it however you wish to. For example, at the title. Now you need to set up location by typing in an address. And if you wish to, pick starting hour or ending one. You can also disable this option completely by choosing this switcher next to all day. Now select repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, select never. Now tap on add reminder and set up reminder weeks, hours or days before your event. After that, you can mark your event as important by choosing this switcher next to important, or disable it by clicking on the same one. Now choose your account, take notes, and finally save your event by choosing this checkmark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to make some changes, just click on it, choose edit at the bottom in the middle, and make all of your changes here. If you wish to discard them, click on this X icon at the top left corner. In order to save them, click on the check mark. If you wish to get rid of your event though, you need to click on it again, but this time select delete icon at the bottom right corner and choose delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!